Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we are on our way to... I can't. I swear. So we are on our way to Dallas's basketball game. Today is Saturday, so y'all know how that goes. Every Saturday we have a basketball game. This Saturday though
is a baby shower.
Is the baby shower. Welcoming baby Berkeley. So yeah, we're gonna be going to College Station today after Dallas's game. So we're all packed and ready. The struggle trying to
You too pregnant?
basically. Hey, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, we're gonna be going to College Station. We're having our baby shower. It's currently 8:42. Dallas's game starts at 8:45, so we're late. Surprise, surprise. But we are already packed.
Dallas, you ready to run in?
For College Station. So babe, stop. It ain't that serious.
Go, Teddy.
Is the light red or is it green?
Green.
Now you can go. Yeah, so the baby shower's at 2. Hopefully we get there by 12:30 at the latest. Dallas's game, they usually don't last very long, but the drive is like 2.5 hours to College Station. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me today. I don't know if I'm gonna really vlog the baby shower. You think I should vlog the baby shower?
Maybe some of it.
Yeah, maybe some of it, because if y'all don't know, vlogging is hard work, and it's like I just want to be present at my baby shower.
Yeah, you make good vlogs though, so we can look back and see everything.
Yeah, I mean that's the whole point of me
Did you bring the
vlogging.
stick?
I got my Joby back there because yours was too big. Yeah, the whole purpose of us even starting this channel is just to basically keep track of, of all of our memories, so we can look back, especially when you have kids and everything. So yeah, I probably have vlogged some of it, but like I was saying, it is hard work because constantly having a camera, toting it around and all of that is like, my baby got money. Flash your dollars.
It's for tonight. When I go out with the boys.
Dang.
You know I do it big.
Baller. Like, how do you say it? Big baller shot caller. Alrighty, so we just finished Dallas's game.
That was a rough one.
Yeah, we're on our way to College Station now. I just checked in with my mom and everyone's there setting up. Yeah, I bet they car stank.
Where you trying to go?
This seafood place. Look at her.
Can't see.
No, that's not gonna do anything. You gotta move the camera, silly. Alright, I'm about to get my...
What you about to do?
Huh?
Yeah, it's just.
Oh my goodness, look at all this glaze.
You spill glaze everywhere?
That, ooh. They did me dirty.
What blaze? Daddy, what's a blaze?
Glazed donut.
Ouch. Oh, it smells good out here. It is 12:50. And what time does the baby shower start?
Whenever we get there.
Well, yeah, I mean, we don't have to be there at 2, but yeah. I'm about to start on my makeup. Voila. How do I look?
Late.
so that man look good. Alright, so yeah, we late, but I think that's to be expected.
So you know how to get there?
Oh, those are cute. This is so cute. Was this hard to do? No. We had to figure out how to blow them up Oh, there you are. I was looking for you. What's your name? Crib.
Crib. I already lost my necklace.
Me too.
Oh, I like that. Chris got it. I ain't talking to him no more though.
What?
Till I get it back.
You gotta steal somebody else's. Vlogging. Say hi. Hi. This is Bassinet.
Bassinet.
This is Huggies.
First time at a baby shower.
First time at a baby shower. It's your own
Where's
baby
the alcohol? Like, what's going on? What are we doing? What? Turn it up. Turn it up.
6249. 6244.
Take pictures with all the winners. Draw again.
One more.
Where is he?
Baby Berkeley. Oh, it's from you don't got no beads here, you read it.
Love Daddy. Of course, it's Daddy.
and we are still in College Station. We actually are leaving to go home right now. We were not expecting to spend the night here in College Station, but last minute we decided to wanted to hang out a little bit. So we are headed out back to Houston now. We are loaded down. You buckle? Yep. The back is loaded down with all of baby Berkeley's good stuff. I don't know if I actually even like formally told y'all, but we are having a girl, so, and she's gonna be here next month, so she'll be here in March sometime. Her name is gonna be Berkeley. I guess I can put some footage here showing you guys our gender reveal, because that was really cute. Like, we did a Halloween themed gender reveal or whatever, so I didn't really vlog it, but I think Charles may have some footage that I can put here. If not, I have pictures. Yeah, so she got so much stuff from her baby shower, y'all. Like, oh my goodness, so much stuff. So she have diapers. I may do a video showing y'all everything that I got from the baby shower, or I may just give y'all like some footage, you know, once I get home and get everything put in her room. But yeah, so that's what it is.
Guys, we're finally home.
Yes, thank goodness. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great right now. So yeah, and then there go Dad. Better fix that face. Fix that face. Like, before I zoom in all on you. This is for Berkeley stuff. Like, I like this right here.
Kim made that.
Oh, Kim. Okay, I see you, Kim. I see you.
Yep. We do. Oh, the what you call it? House.
What?
Your shorts on backwards.